image of the actor of Rania Rao from the custody. Remember, this comes amid the ongoing hearings in the court, where the Economic Offences Court has reserved its order on her bail petition for tomorrow, leaving the actor's legal fate uncertain. We have Deepak getting us more details now. Deepak, we just broke down the details of what was recovered from Rania Rao. Any information that has come to fore during the interrogation? What was her reason for doing this?
Well, right now, the crucial aspect to note here is that the DRI believes that they need more time to investigate this case because there is more than what meets the eye. Yes, it is, of course, a massive, crackdown that has happened, and more importantly, it's a very high-profile case, it looks like. And now, with the involvement of this actress coming to the fore, her links with a DGP-level police officer in Karnataka, it has definitely opened up a hornet's nest as to whether this was happening with the know-how of people in power, and whether that is what gave her the confidence to actually carry out such crimes so easily. As far as we heard from her stepfather, who says that he himself is shocked after hearing this news. She hasn't been living with him. Now, of course, he's saying that she's not even his biological daughter. So a lot, of course, has happened over the last 48 hours. Right now, the DRI's main focus, of course, will not just be cracking this particular case as to how they were actually carrying out this entire crime of bringing in gold from another country into the country. Who are the officials actually involved? And were people in the airport, police officials, custom officials, were they in the know-how? Were any of them co-conspirators? This is something that they'll have to really look into, because there could be, of course, other crimes, other criminals as well they could get hold of while they, of course, investigate this case. And that's the reason, while she, of course, had gone ahead and approached the court for bail, the DRI has sought 3-day custody of her to continue to question her.
All right, Deepak, thank you very much for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates. For now, let's take